to go to work. So this is gonna be fun and exciting. We're going to work, and then we're gonna have a short today, a little bit. It's not that long, not that route. So that's what's going on, you guys. It's gonna be fun and exciting. We are just putting the air conditioning, so that's what's going on, you guys. We're putting the air conditioning in, so it's nice and cool. Because it is so hot in the house sometimes. So that's what's going on, you guys. We're putting the air conditioning. So right now, you guys, I'm just heading into work. So I will talk to you guys when I am done. Special baby carrots, and we have some Grace playing in the rain, you guys. Look at that, you guys. Grace is playing in the rain. That's some type of deal. Keep on, Grace. Keep on.
Woo!
You can jump.
I asked Gareth, hey, let's take Grace outside into the rain.
Take it video too.
Yeah.
No. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Guys, do give it a big thumbs up. Goodbye.